St. Catherine man shot following alleged knife attack on licensed firearm holder. Man dies from electrical shocks from down power line in racecourse, Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A St. Catherine man was shot and injured after he allegedly attacked a licensed firearm holder early Thursday morning along Walks Road in the parish. Reports are that about 1:30 a.m., the injured man was at a business establishment behaving boisterously and was warned to desist. He reportedly left the venue and returned armed with a ratchet knife, which he used to attack the licensed firearm holder. Kirk Mitchell, one of the three men who reportedly suffered electric shocks from a down pole line in Banks Racecourse, Clarendon on August 3, has died. Mitchell reportedly died at the Kingston Public Hospital on Tuesday. A utility pole reportedly belonging to the Jamaica Public Service Company fell on the motorcyclist who was traveling along the main road.